Hi, welcome to this BMW X5 presentation 2019. So this one's gonna be just outside, some little quick, quick, important features that most people would like about the X5, especially if you own one before. He had some really nice features coming up on this X5 here, and also, going with an M Sport package one, pretty nice. Finally got the 50 in. Been there in for a while now. As far as getting one in, is very hard to get. And one other thing is, if you didn't want the 50 but you want the M Sport package, that's another challenge. But what we like about the X5 is it's really nice tailgate here, but you also get a split tailgate where if you're trying to load something up over here, it's not reaching the bumper. You have that hard surface here. That's really nice. Most people will overlook knowing about that extra space right under here. Yeah, I want an X5 and I wish I had this feature on my old X5. You just pull here, so very convenient. Just wanted to do like a quick presentation. This is small, but I don't think they would show. Most of the show would show you that little small thing here, but that would help you also know a little bit more about the vehicle before you come in. And I do recommend test driving one. No amount of videos will help you really experience this vehicle here. Pretty nice. Nice interior. That's the interior I would get. Is the coffee Veneska leather, and this is probably, you won't know much about this, maybe you researched it already, but you can actually use this for, you can buy a holder that would match this for an iPod, and then there's the charging right over here. You can use that. If you had something that to apply an iPad there, you'd have to plug in a wire over here, and then it goes all the way. So this makes it a little neater. So pretty nice. A big sunroof, a panoramic roof. So very huge and long. You can put out the seat this way, or you can keep it that way. So armrest there, cup holder. You need a pass-through. Actually, that's for a to bring that down for a pass-through. And of course, for baby seats, you have anchors in the back. Of course, there's latches for baby seats, but that's not what we're here for. So the smart key lock button right here, what I mean by that, if you have a key in your pocket, you can lock the car by pressing this, unlock it just by putting your hands here. As long as the key is in here. So if the key was far away, you wouldn't be able to do that. So safe for people. So nobody's trying to get into the car while you far away, even if you have the key. So what's gonna be nice is basically as you have the key, it's self-present, and your gauge already turned on. You don't have to reach for the key or press the start button. So if you wanted to go to a place, you wanted to set a navigation, all you do is press that button. You have gesture control. That's what that beep was. You can increase volume this way and reduce volume that way. So just like that. One of the nice features too, like because you have the gesture control, it's always gonna be ready for you that way. So as you can see, I can search for stuff here. Well, just go to the map, and it's touchscreen. So one of the first car that has the touchscreen. 18 did, but 17 didn't have the touchscreen. So that's the i7, iDrive 7 feature too. So, and if you touch this, you have to go to interactive map. Then, oh, okay, the car has to be on for this to work. Or there would be a setting on here too that would allow you to use this pad as a trackpad, or you can move the map, move around the map using interactive map. It's pretty cool. A lot of nice features here. A backup camera, of course, gonna be standard. You can change the ambient color inside. People really like that. So you can program it with your key, which one you really like. I do have a video on that, so please check out other videos that I have. Just wanted to show you the interior features on this car. When you have the driver assistance plus package, it's actually a little different. What the driver assistance plus packages is the stop and go adaptive cruise control, which is really nice. So what that means, some of you probably do know about it already. What that means is when you set your cruise control, if traffic goes all the way to a stop, a halt, your car would actually, as it reaches the car in front of you, would come to a complete stop safely and very comfortably. So it doesn't get in the way of you driving. You can cancel it very easily by pressing the brake, and then you slow down your car yourself and drive, or the cruise control can do it all for you, which is, I think, is pretty awesome too. So even though I don't have the key on me, you can still turn on the air, the vents. It actually will vent inside the car. It's not cooling the car, but it's allow air to go into the car and venting that in for you. So if it's nice outside and you want to bring some air in because of the hot sun, that will definitely help get the heat out of the car. You can also remote start the vehicle. You can use an app to remote start it. You can see the location. You can control the uh, you can control those vents to turn on. So you precondition the vehicle. So really different shifter here. But yeah, I do have another video that goes over that, and I have yet to show you a vehicle with the 5.0 liter, and I will do that. Please comment below, leave me a like, and if you request a 5.0 test drive, virtual test drive I would say, I can do that for you too. Like, subscribe for any new videos that is coming up so you can see it. Share it for me so that the channel can keep going. I'm gonna start back. I took a break for a while. I'm gonna start back in doing videos of cars, showing you these features. So really nice. Those are small things that you probably wouldn't be able to do while you come in. They would explain it to you, but you can but you never go through all that. You want here to test drive, and sometimes it's not enough time to go over everything. If you do have any questions, any features you'd like me to show, please let me know, and I will help you. I will shoot a video of it and then show you what it does. So pretty awesome vehicle. And if you already bought, welcome to the family. BMW is ultimate driving vehicle. This is the BMW X5. And if you don't need a third row seat, it's a perfect vehicle for you. Now, if you like everything in here, you want a third row seat, have the X7. I do have videos on the X7, but let me know if I should shoot a video of a particular feature you like on the X7. So just let me know. Thank you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, share my link, and see you later.